Hello everybody, welcome to my video. This is K. Pritish Kumar studying first B.Ed English, Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Palakanuthu, Vattanjatram, Dindigul district. Today we are going to see learning and teaching. Unit 4, Cognitive and Humanistic Theories of Learning. And my topic is Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Introduction. Jean Piaget was born in Switzerland in 1896. He was also called a Swiss psychologist. At the age of 22, he received doctoral degree in science. He profound impact on both psychology and education. He developed interest in the intellectual development of children. In his observation, he concluded that children were not less than intelligent than adults. He was the first psychologist to make the study of cognitive development. Cognitive development and epistemological view of Piaget theory called genetic epistemology. He was died on September 16, 1980 in Switzerland. Piaget theory of cognitive development divided into two: cognitive process and stages. Cognitive process subdivided into four: assimilation, accommodation, adaptation, and organization. In Piaget theory, stages are subdivided into four: sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. Cognitive development. The term cognition is derived from the Latin word cognoscere, which means to know or to recognize or to conceptualize. The term cognitive development refers to the process of growth and change in intellectual or mental abilities such as thinking, reasoning, and understanding. What is schema? Schema is a general idea about something. Its plural form is schemata. Schemata can help the students to learn. In order to use schemata in education, teachers should activate prior knowledge, link new information to old information, and link different schemata to each other. There are four components of cognitive process: assimilation, accommodation, adaptation, and organization. Assimilation means taking in or observing information from the environment. Accommodation is the process of modifying existing schema and arriving at the new schema. The third one is adaptation. Adaptation helps an individual to adjust to his new environment. The fourth one is organization. Organization is the process of interconnecting schemas to form into unified structure. For example, a boy has learned the schema of a bird. Next, boy saw an aeroplane and called it bird. Sister says, "No, it is an aeroplane." Then the boy accommodated a new schema of airplane. Piaget stages of the theory of cognitive development. According to psychologist Jean Piaget, children progress four types of cognitive development. Each stage is marked by a shift how children understand the world. He believed that children are like the little scientist. his observations of his own children, he developed a theory of intellectual development. They are as follows. Now we are going to see stages of cognitive development. The first stage is sensory motor stage, 0 to 2 years. Pre-operation stage, 2 to 7 years. The third stage is concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. And the fourth and last stage is formal operation stage, 11 years and above. Sensory motor stage, 0 to 2 years. This stage is mainly based on immediate experiences through senses, and intellectual activity is in sensory interactions of the environment. This stage is characterized by development of sensory, motor, and perceptual skills. Coordination of motor activities. At first year, for a child, an object out of sight is out of mind, but in second year, it learns the object permanence. And fourth point is development of rudimentary memory. The second stage is pre-operational stage. It happened between the years of 2 to 7 years. The thinking of pre-operational child is characterized by first egocentrism, second one animism, third one realism. Egocentrism, which limits the child ability to understand the point of view. Animism, treating inanimate objects as living ones. Realism, dreams are considered to be real. The third stage is concrete operation stage. In this stage, he understands the reversibility and the elimination of egocentrism. For example, if a child 5 to 6 years is asked how to go to his aunt's house, he may not explain the route of his aunt's house, but he will be able to lead us to his aunt's house. Formal operational stage. It happened between the years of 11 years and above. During this stage, thought becomes increasingly flexible and abstract. He can carry out systematic experiments, theorizing and critical evaluation, as well as pitting the possible against the real, are evident at this stage. Next, we are going to see educational implications of Piaget's cognitive development theory. The first point is the true learning discriminating from verbal learning. Emphasis on discovery approach in learning. Curriculum should provide the specific educational experience based on child's developmental level. Arrange classroom activities so that they assist and encourage self-learning. Moral and intellectual growth go together. Only after the age of 11 can the child evaluate actions in the light of motives. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.